And y'all, they got me on this experimental drug. I'm taking Viagra. Woohoo! Ty, honey, that means I'm packing. Yeah. Yeah, the doctor, he told me I'd have good side effects and bad side effects. Well, the bad side effects are all I want to do, you know, is scratch my crotch and spit and do the remote, you know? The good side effects are, y'all, for a couple hours every day, I got perky titties. Yes, I do. He told me if it lasted longer than 4 hours to call him. That lasts longer than 4 hours. Hell, I'm calling everybody. Look! Look! I got tig old bitties. Yes, I do.